I'm Zane, welcome to Audio Tech TV, where I know you can create great music at home, and one of the things that can help is a mic stand or a mic arm. You need something to hold your microphone, and you want something that's quality to hold your microphone because you're spending big bucks on a mic, so you want a good one, and this is the Rode DS2. Now, this isn't a sponsored video, but Rode did send me this mic stand to try out. They didn't say I had to say anything about it. They just wanted me to try it out. So here it is, and we're going to talk about it. So normally I use the Rode PSA1. That's this mic arm here. It's by far the best mic arm I've ever used. I worked in radio for years, and this is still the best mic arm I've ever used. Now, they've brought that sort of quality to a desktop version or a mobile version in the Rode DS2. So you can easily adjust this one like that. You've got another adjustment here. It can pack up really easily. It's actually really heavy and solid for the size of this thing. You wouldn't expect it to be this heavy. It's pretty heavy. The base is solid, so it can handle a lot of weight. And not only can you put microphones on here, but you could also put lighting, like studio lighting, which I'm really looking forward to doing. You could put cameras on here if you want. And it's a good quality stand that isn't going to let you down. This thing is solid. And another one of the things that I'm really looking forward to using the Rode DS2 for is miking up guitar cabinets, because I can just move this all around so easily. I'm going to be able to mic up guitar cabinets with ease. Now, I've always wanted to have the mic arm sort of feeling when miking up a guitar cabinet, and now I've got it with this. It's a nice desktop stand. It looks great. So if you're going to be using it for like video podcast or YouTube videos, that sort of thing, and you want a nice stand that sits on your desk, so maybe you can't put a mic arm. Some desks, they don't have the spot where you can clip a mic arm onto. This can be that stand. It looks great, but most importantly, it's going to keep whatever you put on here safe. It's not going to flop over and let your microphone, camera, lighting, whatever you use this for, it's not going to let it flop down onto the desk like some cheap mic stands out there. This thing is really cool. It can hold up to 2 pounds, so it can actually handle a Shure SM7B or 7dB, no problem. I had this microphone on there earlier. This is the Rode NT1, and I had it on there with this whole shock mount on there, and this thing held it no problem. So you can see here, I have the Shure SM7dB on there. It is holding it no problem. I'm not worried about it flopping over, and if I want, I can easily adjust it however I like. Have it straight out like that. So if you're looking for a decent quality mic stand that you can bring with you on the go or put pretty much anywhere, the Rode DS2 might be that mic stand. The thing is very nice quality, just like all the other products that I've tried from Rode or I use from Rode, like the mic stand, this microphone, and I have some other Rode microphones. They are all high quality, and this thing is the same. And if you want to get more information on this microphone, it's the Rode NT1, great quality mic. Click the video on the screen for more information on that. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. Also, subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. For Audio Tech TV, I'm Zane. Keep creating. Fist bump. Thumbs up.